there's a couple of different flavors to this, right? There's technology type people doing technology related things outside of central control. There's the other piece of it though, which is, we've talked about it, the business person, right? That just wants to get shit done, right?
Right.
And to get shit done, I'm going to go into Excel and do something. It could be seen as a failure of the main sort of legacy type IT organization to respond to that business person's need, right? To do X in a faster fashion. I think the problem I have with all of this, though, is that you've got parallel duplicative tracks of work happening. You have sort of the official, this is the way we do things. And then you have Billy Bob out in the closet, right, doing his own thing. And now you've got disparate data. You end up with a data problem. I have disparate sources, both claiming to be authoritative with different methodologies, different approaches, different controls. Who am I to believe?